Let me as
Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Financial Eagles trading session. Hi, Miguel.
hello, Lama, hello everyone. So let's start with the US 30 first as a daily time frame. Okay, as we see, that's a great bullish move, and we're still pushing bullish. Okay, as for this broke, if this area got broken, we will have new highs. Okay, but let's see how the close is gonna be, how the open, how the daily open. Okay, this area that's more as a scalping area. Okay, so for now, I will wait for it. The cells, I'm gonna be skeptic about the cells, okay, to take this cell as an intraday and try to leave it as a swing, okay, taking it from this area to close the gap, okay, and for from this area, like to the gap, you have like 100, 200 pips, and you will be secured already, okay. But I will wait even to see how it's gonna be closing, how the momentum will be. Okay, like pushing one way, I don't take it. I wait a retracement and then I go with it. So we will be scalping it more like to those areas. That's 50, 60 pips to this area, and we secure. Okay, so the sell will wait for it. The buy even will wait to see tomorrow. Today's close and tomorrow the break. If we had a wick and pushing up, we can take it breaking this last highs. Okay, so this is for the S30. Let's go for gold. Okay, as you can see, gold still like this inside this consolidation. That's steady. You have look how many days, guys, in this area. So let's see how gold will be pushed. Will be like doom. Okay, it might even if it break this area over here, but it's a bit skeptic area. For this push, okay, I prefer the breakdown. Until now, like I can take it as an intraday buy and closing it, but it's not showing as a bullish momentum until like might be to break this over here. It might hit it, then push down. We will see how the push. Okay, that's still not valid, two hits. So let's wait for it. Yeah, I prefer more the cells over this area. Look at all this area, guys. Okay, so I prefer it to be because we have high, lower high, and now it had a bearish push, bearish close, and then like a retracement, and then pushing down. Okay, so as it's like intraday and swing, you can. That's great. Okay. For here, we will see tomorrow. If we had like a good opportunity, a good close for the buys, like here, there's nothing to show, honestly. Look at all this area. I will wait for it. I will wait for all this area. Okay, but let's see. That's like still, if it break, that's a great break. A push down, look, a high, lower high, and then that's a consolidation over here. Now breaking, it's great. Let's see how the break, how the close, always. Because look at this area. That's very strong area, all this area. So I will wait a close over this area, a retracement, and then we go with it. Okay. So this is for the gold. We go for euro. The euro still now, even like everything. Look at this. Here it might have this break great. And this break, I'm still waiting for it. I told you about it before that not one way I take it. Now we had the retracement. Now again the break. It's great. It can be taken because if you look at the weekly, look how many weeks we had bearish, one bullish. Look at all this bearish, now this bullish. So this break, it's gonna create for me like a new, like put like you take it as an intraday, okay? Like the push in the euro is slower from like GJ from gold from the S30, okay? So I prefer always to be looking at the daily and the 4 hours most, but the daily most to take as positions. Okay, so this break will go for it as long to reach this those areas over here. That's like 100 pip to this area. Okay, we will manage it. Okay, so this is it for the buys. The sells, I will wait even. Like here we have even a strong area over this area. It closed the gap and pushed, and even this. So I will wait for the sells. I will wait a close over those areas, and then again a new 4 hour or a retracement, and then a push down. Okay, follow the market. Don't be like, if it's breaking, take it like one way. Don't fear of missing the trade. Okay, because it's not gonna keep pushing one way. It's gonna retrace and then continue again. Okay, so this is for the euro. We go for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, that's a great, still pushing, great bullish push. Okay, so look at this area of Bitcoin over here. That's like a very strong area in it. Plus over here, if you put the 4 hours, put all this, look at this trend, guys, in Bitcoin. So again, if we break this area, as we talked about this break over here, so even here it might consolidate a bit. So I prefer to put it as like this, as an area. Okay. So I will wait for this break over here, like a break, a retest as it did. Look at this push, a break, a retest, and then a push up. So we will see the break and the retest and then the push up. It will continue to push. Like even breaking this here, we have even break. That's a strong area over here even. So let's wait for this break. Okay. As for sells, I'm not gonna put any sells over here. Here it can be taken as intraday, but I don't take Bitcoin like as intraday. But it can be taken from this area to this area. Okay, so I prefer to go as it like a push down, a downtrend. I need to break this area again. Okay, because here it might push down, and it can retrace, start to consolidate. It not just like tomorrow will break this. It might take weeks, guys. Okay, so let's wait to see what will Bitcoin do. Okay, this is it for me. We go for Joseph.
Hello everyone. So let's move to the GBP JPY. Okay, so for the weekly time frame, as mentioned before last week, about this level here, it might push, hit, and retrace from it, and it was exactly the 0.74 Fibonacci. After all this push down, we might take here a sniper entry buy, and our stop loss was below this level, the 0.79, almost 100 pips, and today it go 340 pips almost. So for now, after hitting and retrace from this level we were waiting, and also for the daily, the CCI and percentage are breaking now the oversold area, and yesterday it made a reversal candle. Here it was a, after it made a big down today, and going up it was great buy from here. So now we will be searching for a buy. We will not take any sell over this area until it breaks again all this low. So for now, also on the 1 hour, we check it. After all this push up, here we were waiting to take a buy, but of course we will not take it after all this push down because look, it made a fake break on this resistance area and reverse down. So for now, to confirm our buy, we will wait a retracement. We'll use the Fibonacci also for all this push up. if it will reach again this support area, it's also the 0.38 Fibonacci or the 0.5. We will see on the reaction on this area if it continue down now. And if we see a reversal candle or a pattern or something on this area, also it was the neckline of the double bottom. We still have the target of the double bottom. Still, we have good range to complete the target of the double bottom. So we might see a retracement to the neckline of this double bottom here and then continue more up. So now after breaking this high and lower high, lower high, lower high, now we are forming a low. We might retrace here, forming a higher low, then continue down, continue up. So we will wait and see the reaction and how it will be moving now. For the sell, we will wait because we are now reversing the trend. So we will search for a buy, but we will wait first a good retracement before taking any buy. So that's it for me. Moving to Lama.
Thank you, Joseph. Hello, everyone. Okay, so for the GU, if we can see here, now it's pushing one way up. The volume got stronger suddenly. 1 hour ago, I was checking like it was so slow. I think we have news. Yeah, exactly. Because in the US market, now we have high impact news happening. Also, like we have the speech of Mr. Powell. So that's why like we see the momentum is like getting stronger. The volume is getting stronger. For the GU, I'm expecting a buy opportunity, to be honest. Today we had a very small candle in the morning. Wow, it's moving, but like it's moving one way up, 4 hour candle moving one way up. Of course, I prefer if it will retrace a little bit and then continue up. Let's see. So the 4 hour candle will finish in 43 minutes. I have to wait. I prefer like let's see what will happen now because according to the inverted head and shoulders, which is a reversal pattern, I am expecting a buy opportunity breaking here this resistance line. Let's see, because now it's pushing one way up. I prefer a retracement because we don't want to like enter the buy and start retracing down. Of course, like we will see what will happen. Hala, I will keep an eye. Let's see the 1 hour candle. Okay, so that was at 7, 8, 9. Hey, it was slow. Look at these small candles because here the volume was very low. Now it's pushing up. I have to see first before also breaking. Maybe it will reach here this resistance and go down a little bit. Okay, so depending on how much this resistance also is strong, it can give me more like confirmation for the buy. This is an inverted head and shoulder, as I was explaining, so it will be a good buy opportunity from here. As like in case the sell happened, it was here, but now we are far from the sell. For now, of course, mainly the GU works in Elliott waves movements. So I think that if we are like now forming a new Elliott wave, it will be mainly like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, like this is not like these like the waves are not like perfectly drawn. Now I did it fast. In order to draw these the waves, I have to use Fibonacci extension and retracement. Okay, but like now because I'm checking now because the market is taking my attention, that's why. Okay, so mainly for now, like I'm waiting for the buy. Also, the indicators are showing this divergence that happened last time. It went more down, but the indicators were showing an uptrend that's why we were getting ready for the buy, and that's why the trades, like I was confident when I was taking the trades last time, the buy trades. So of course now if we are forming an Elliott wave, it will be like a bullish trend for at least like 5 days, for example, maybe. So we have to like be following the trend step by step. But hopefully like this buy will start, and we can leave it as a swing trade also. We can leave it for like 2-3 days. We can benefit from this trade. It will be a very beautiful buy because we have like more than one like indication or confirmation. We have first the indicators breaking, and they are still in the middle, like at least the CCI William percentage R is always faster, so we are more into the buy. Second, we have the pattern, which is also an indication from the pattern. The universal pattern is an indication for like a move up because it's an inverted head and shoulder. Also, breaking this resistance will be my third indication from support resistance price action. And also, if we are forming an Elliott wave, it will be also like an additional indication for the movement up. So let's see what will happen. I will keep now an eye and see. I prefer, of course, if it will retrace, but if the volume was strong, I will go into the trade. Okay, and I will not close it tonight, or maybe we take like 20-30 pips. It's up to you guys. It's always up to you. We always give you the direction, and it's your decision if you want to close it today, to benefit from the trades, leave it overnight. So it's also your call. Okay, we just like give you the instructions. Okay, so يلا, let's see what will happen. We are waiting for you. لما ما رح نام not. يلا, also I will be waiting for the trade. يلا إن شاء الله خير. Hopefully, because like this candle, it scares me when I see one big candle going up, especially 4 hours. So at least, I will feel more comfortable if I see a retracement. But the volume also, if it was strong and if it kept going up, uh, like it will be a good buy. Also, hopefully, like the news will not affect the market, and it will be against our odds. So yalla, we have to keep an eye. Maximum, it will hit the stop loss. The stop loss is 1% if we lost, or 0.5%. So we are not worried about that. But we always we will be more happy if we make the profits, and the study will be, like with us, not against us. So this is it for the GU. We will move to Lydia.
Good evening, everyone. Yalla, I'm gonna share my screen. Thank you, Lama. Okay, so with respect to silver, this is on the weekly time frame. As you can see here, the Elliott wave starting from here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and wave A, the correction one, is done. Now going up into wave B for more confirmation with this break, the break of these candles. I'll move, if I'm gonna show you, look how messy it is, but wait, I'm gonna go down onto the daily time frame. So as you can see, so mainly here. Okay, so as you can see, what I was talking about, the wave on the weekly time frame, this is the one on the daily time frame inside the wave 3. So mainly what I was looking for, if you can remember last time I was discussing this bearish trend, and we finally broke it after retesting twice on this key level. So when it consolidated, actually it was making a pattern. So in the back of my mind now, every time the market consolidates, there's a certain pattern that is being formed. So I'm gonna be more aware of this. And I will show you here also. This was the daily candle last Thursday. It closed as a reversal candle, and then on Friday, look at this push. It opened, made a wick down, and then it pushed all the way up. And then we had this candle on Monday closing like a reversal candle like 2, but it's like a dodgy star if you want to go more like into names. And then the Tuesday candle open made the wick up. So like now we have a more confirmation of the trend after breaking this trend line, this downtrend line. I'll take it out so that it won't distract you more. So mainly now we are going up for wave B, but inside wave B, there's gonna be a formation of an Elliott wave, as Lama was mentioning. If you are still not familiar with Elliott waves, you will be, guys. Just follow up with the community more. So like wave 1, 2, and now we're going up into wave 3. I'll go more down to the 4 hours time frame. So mainly, I took this buy on a very lower time frame confirmation. And then after every move up, as the previous traders were mentioning, we have a retracement down. And so this move up, a retracement, move up, retracement. Mainly, I'll show you the Fibonacci. Mainly every move up, there's a move down. Sometimes it might be like using the Fibonacci, it might be retracing from the golden zone. We call this area 0.5 and 0.618, the golden zone. So mainly it's the retracement from it. And this was also a confirmation. I'm gonna like take these out so that you can see it more clearly. Can you see this? It's like a head and shoulders formation. So mainly every time it breaks, this is what I was noticing. Every time it breaks the neckline of the head and shoulders, it makes a little retest on a key level and then it pushes up. And now the full target of the head is mainly done. So tomorrow I'll be waiting a little retracement down for this push up to see where I need a retracement of this push like to a certain key level. Of course, I'll be using Fibonacci as well, but I wanna see the close of today's candle. So mainly, I think it's gonna be closing here on this key level. So I'll be waiting a push down mainly to this golden area before like executing another buy. So this is mainly for silver. Now we are back in a bullish trend, but if you are taking swing trades on silver, this is what you'll be like. We are in a bullish trend. You can see like here low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So like we are in a bullish trend. But if you are taking like intraday trades to a couple of days swing, you're gonna be like more seeing the daily time frame and more confirmations on 4 hours. So mainly this is it for me. I'm gonna see like tomorrow's candle, the daily one, the close of this one. I need a good retracement down, like before the push up to take another buy executing. And this is the Fibonacci, the golden zone of this down move. So I'll see how it will be going. Mainly this is it for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Lydia. Now we will move to the questions. If you have any question, please raise your hand.